People start buying sandwiches, pork sandwiches at 8:30 in the morning and keep going right through till 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So we close basically from 5 till midnight and then we start again every day. What you see here is legs of pork that's come from Yorkshire area, and once they're boned out they'll be going to the curing process, then they're rolled up ready for the ovens. The meat has just finished cooking now, so Duncan is just testing the joints, and these are going out to each individual shop in insulator boxes. After we've took these joints out, it's the next process for them to make all the dripping for the next day. They're your juices that have caramelised, and that will eventually set, you stir it round, eventually set into nice dark dripping, but the secret is so you get a nice caramelisation so that you get a nice dark kind of dripping. It gives it the flavour. You know, it's got a very Moorish taste with the bread cake and the dripping. It all adds to it, and the actual pork is very moist, succulent, and it just adds to the whole flavour. So I think people keep coming back for that reason. We control every part of it so that we know that it's just how I want it to our recipe, and they're going to be the same every day.
As soon as it arrives at the shops, the girls take delivery of it, check the temperatures, and then bring them straight onto the counter and start serving them straight away. And when someone orders a pork sandwich, the first question the staff will ask is, would you like everything on? The pork's literally freshly roasted. And they have a few joints on each delivery, so the turnover is really fast. The same person stays on the pork the whole time, so it's a very efficient way of working. Then somebody will be standing in the middle doing the stuffing and crackling, and then pass it down to one of the other girls, then wraps it, takes the money. So everything's made exactly how the customer wants it and at the minute that they want it, so you can't get more freshly made sandwiches. And that's what makes them so tasty, and that's what Dad did from day one. That was the main thing, to get the taste just right, and then, as they keep up the standards, keep up the quality all these years on. We didn't used to do applesauce back in 1961. That was quite a new thing. It's a healthy addition we added to the pork sandwich.
Whenever I come over, I always come and make sure I get a pork sandwich before I go back. It's really, really nice. Don't have anything like this in Cumbria.
We've got two ladies that come in who originally came into the first shop that was ever opened, and they're still our loyal customers now.
They've come from miles for dripping. We've sent dripping to Cyprus last week.
Yeah.
And the sandwiches, well, you can't say more. Everybody knows the Beres.
We stopped in and had this pork sandwich. It was the best one we ever had, so we keep coming back.
Just been for a custard. Their custards are good as well.